Hi guys, today I want to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu, and I will share with you also codes to obtain huge discounts. Temu has secret codes that help you to receive free stuff or huge discounts. Before we start, scan this QR code so you can download Temu app. If you already have, use another device and create another Temu account because the majority of the offers are for newbies. Now we can start. This is the first code. You can copy and paste it into the search bar of Temu. This code can give you $100 in bonus. You have to be a new user to take advantage of this. It's a coupon bundle. After you insert it in the search bar, you can see the condition. The second code is this. You will obtain objects at €0. The conditions are simple. Do an order of at least $45 and you can get 3 free items that you can choose. This is another code where you can see the best discount on Temu. Some products have a discount of 90%. You can find all the links and the code in the description. Remember, most of them are for new Temu users. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.